Hello, I'm Leela Stewart, yoga therapist, teacher trainer, and author of Pathways to a Centered Body with Donna Fari. I know that you can't reduce the optimal function of the human body to one structure, but if I had to do that, it would be the psoas muscle. And the reason for that is that it's a connecting structure. It connects us physically. So it connects us to our spine, it connects us to our extremities, it connects us to our breathing because it's interdigitated with the diaphragm. It's connected to our organs because it creates a sort of muscular shelf that the organs sit on. So if the psoas isn't functioning so well, or if there's a lot of tension in it, then that tension will get transferred to those organs. And so that can lead to menstrual pain or digestive difficulties. So I discovered this as a massage therapist working with the psoas from a purely physical basis. And then people would say, oh, I used to have irritable bowel syndrome, but I don't have it anymore. Or my menstrual cramps are not so bad anymore. And even one person said that her sex life was way better after her psoas was balanced. So it not only connects us to a lot of physical structures, it also connects us to our deeper self. It connects us to our emotional body. It's full of sensory nerve endings. It's very close to the gut brain, and there's probably some back and forth going on there. So it helps us when we know how to tune into it through experiential anatomy or mindful anatomy and some somatic practices, then we can start to tune into the psoas and use it as sort of a barometer for what's going on inside. So I will be teaching a workshop at Reconnect Yoga in Melbourne, Australia, January 31st to February 2nd. And we will dive into all of this. So please join me. I would love to see you there.